Hello my student, how are you? I hope everything is okay. Today inshallah we will solve our first worksheet about simple present. But before that, please check the quality of the sound and the back. And if there is any problem, please tell us to solve it. Today inshallah I said that we will solve the first worksheet about simple present. But before that, remember, what is the definition of simple present? Simple present is an action that happens without a specific time. Without a specific time, that means maybe it happened in the past, or is happening right now, or it will happen in what? In the future. So it's happened without a specific time. So I said about what? The function. We use it to things like a routine. Something happening continuously, okay? Or something truth. Truth that means scientific facts, facts in general. I know that I believe in my mind. Yesterday I teach you. Today I'm teaching you. And tomorrow I will teach you. In my opinion, it's a fact. I know it's a fact, okay? So, number three, remember, we said about what? Keywords. We have some words. When I see it, I understand that this sentence in a what? In a simple present tense. Like what? Like every last time, every day, every week, every month, every year. Okay. Number two, usually or often, always, sometimes. Okay. And also we have some adverbs like frequently, something repeated. Okay. Or daily, weekly, an expression for time plus ly. Okay. Now move with me to the first question. Here, okay. But the correct verb form, okay. Andy. Here we have Andy, the family car. Okay. He, in this sentence, I have a specific time. There is any word that means this event happened in the past? No. This action will happen in the future? No. So I have no specific time. There is no word or anything that related to any tense. So I understand that this sentence in what? In a simple present tense. Remember the form of simple present tense. We have subject plus what? Verb. S-O-E-S. Plus what? Object. And also here we can say object, it's a complement because it doesn't matter if I have an object or not. Because when I say I'm 15, okay, I am 15. Here I have a subject and I have what? Verb. But I have no object, so it's not necessary, okay? So I can use object or complement. Okay, remember the form. Subject. We have two types of subject, okay? Okay, let's read it here. Here, subject, we have singular subject and plural subject. When I see that my sentence consists singular subject, I should add what? S or ES to the verb. And if the subject plural, never add what? S or ES. Because I know that the things that cannot make it plural, just nouns, okay? Nouns. There's no verbs plural, okay? No plural verbs. Hey, Andy is a name of a person, and I have one person, so it's a singular subject. Singular subject, so I will add what? S or ES. Okay, when should I use ES and when should I use S? When the verb ends with X or O or CH or SH, okay, or Z, okay, that means I should add what? ES. Look to this example. Wash. Wash end with what? SH. That means I should add ES. Wash, wrong, because I should add what? Es or s. So the right answer is wash. Every morning, my mother. Here, actually, I have what? I have a keyword. He, every morning. That means this sentence in which tense? In a simple present tense. So, subject, my mother, one mother. So it's a singular subject. Singular subject, that means I should add what? S or ES. My verb. Okay, look at this choices. Okay, get up, gets up, get ups. Okay, here, where is the verb? Get or up? Actually, it's get. Okay, so I should add it what? Add S to the verb. Here to the verb, not to the prep. Okay, get up, it's wrong because I have a singular subject. Get ups, it's wrong because the S add to what? To the phrase with the verb. He, right answer. Gets up. Mr. Black, email in evening. He, writes. The, the final letter in this verb, what? T. T consists one of them? No. So S. Mr. Black, one. So, right. Okay, writes. The girls, okay, I have a plural subject because I have S here. Okay, to shopping, the shopping. The girls, subject followed by verb, S or ES. If the subject is what? Is singular. The subject is a plural, so without S, without ES, so does. Do. His friend. Number one, his friend, singular subject, to school. Actually, I go to school every day. Forget about this time, Corona time, okay? But actually, in the real life, we go to school and every day. So it's something repeated. So this sentence in which tense? In a simple present tense. His friend, one friend. Goes. He, the way we write go, the verb, it's wrong. Go without us? No, goes. Because I have what? Friend. And the verb end with what? With O. So es. Do you like? Do. Actually, do and does. It's a what? It's a key word to know that this sentence in a present tense. When I see did, I know this sentence in the past tense. But actually, here, do related to what? To simple present. Do you space milk in your tea? You. We have two type of subject, pronouns or real name. Real name, that means start with a capital letter. Here, you, it's a pronoun. Okay, you, it's a plural pronoun. So should I do add s? No. Should I add es? No. Infinitive verb, like. Okay. Number 8, answer it here. Guys, keep with me. Now, we will answer number 8. So, please, who wants to read? Majd Burhan, thanks Majd. In number 8, I correct. Are, be, am, is. The subject is I. When I talk about me, I should use what? Be verbs. The form of be verbs are, is, am in the present tense. Are for what? For a plural subject. Am for I subject. Is for a singular subject. So, am, because the subject is what? I. Number 9. Here. Try to answer it. Guys, keep with me. Please be active with me. Okay, there is no one want to answer. It, space, a beautiful day today. It, singular subject. So is. I said why is because I discuss it here. And number 10, John often. Actually, here I have a keyword to know that this sentence actually in what? In a simple present tense. John. John, name for one person, start with a capital letter, and is what? That what? Singular subject. Singular subject, so add s or es. Plays or play? Plays. Because there is no X, no O, no CH, no SH. Here, Mandy and Susan. Mandy and Susan. I have two persons. Two persons that mean a plural subject without S or ES. So, wash is wrong. Watch, it's right. Watches, it's wrong. Okay, now move to question number 2. Guys, please keep active with me. And if there is any problem or anything you have a misunderstanding with that, please tell me to solve it. Okay, Majd, thanks a lot, Majd. And who's that? Lemon. Okay. Which sentence, which sentences or questions are correct? Okay, he. Which sentence is in the simple present? Okay, he can a bike ride? It's wrong. It's wrong. Why it's wrong? Because the form of the sentence, subject plus verb plus object or complement. He, right, it's a verb and it's come in the what? In the final position of the word. So it's wrong. He can ride a bike. He can ride a bike. So why? That's the right answer. But why? Actually, I know. Can, it's a modal verb. And modal verb, we it's followed by what? By infinitive verb without any adding, okay? So, he can write, it's wrong. Why? Because can a modal verb followed by base form of verb without s, without es, without ing, without ed. The base form. He can't, I can't add any addition to the what? To the modal verb. So can't it's wrong. Okay, because our time, I will skip some questions here. So the same way, he, which sentence is in the simple present? He has in a perfect tense. He is in a continuous or progressive tense. He read, he, it's a singular subject, followed by what? S or ES. So it's wrong. He reads a book, that's the right answer. He will in the future. So it's the right answer D. Thanks Lama and thanks Lays. Okay, here we have Lays. لو سمحتي. What do you want? Lays, tell me what do you want? Okay, tell me and I will move to the second question. Here, which question is in the simple present? Remember the form of what? Of a simple present tense question. Do or. Followed by what? By subject plus verb one, verb infinitive, verb infinitive, without anything. The base form of the verb, do and does in a capital letter, followed by the subject. If the subject is singular, I will add what? Does. If it's plural, I will add what? Do. So, which question is in the simple present? Do she? Wrong. Do followed by a plural subject. Do she also wrong? Does she work? Yes. Does she work? Does followed by singular subject followed by what? Infinitive verb. Base form of verb. Number 6, the same thing. Number 7, which sentence in the sentence is in a simple present used correctly? Carol, Carol. Subject, singular subject, singular subject. Simple present, that means it should follow by what? Followed by S or ES. So, clean, it's the right answer. صغري I guess you mean okay نصغر أكبر الشاشة. Actually I can't do it. No, I can't do it, okay? Try to see it like this. Sorry, miss, but I can't control the size of this word, okay? In which sentence is the simple present used correctly? I answer the same thing. Here we have from questions in the simple present tense. I will choose one or three. Actually, here we have an idea, and here we have an idea, here we have an idea. So I will solve only these three questions. Please keep with me. Now we will solving this question. Be with me. Okay, Lama and Yusuf. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, from form questions in a simple present tense. Frank to read comics. To, that's mean to followed by what? By verb. And followed by what? Which verb? Base form of verb. Here we have Frank. Remember the form of the what? Of the question in a simple present. We have do, does, plus subject, plus verb infinitive, plus complement. Do or does. Frank, singular. So, does Frank. What هي السؤال هذا؟ Form, that means شكل. That means to create a question in a what? In a simple present. So here I have some elements of the sentence. Element of the sentence. I want to make a question from these elements. Okay? Does Frank what? Does Frank read comics? Why I choose read? Because does or do followed by what? Verb infinitive. Actually, I have base form of verb. Number 4, to be. Beta from Australia. Okay, be verb. Here I have a simple present. What be verb we can use? Is, am, are. Is for what? For singular subject. Here I have a name of a person because it starts with capital letter. So, is Peter from Australia? And the question mark. Why I choose is because it's followed by singular subject. And here I have what? Be. Be verb. I don't hear life. Try to answer it. I don't can. Number 10. Who wants to answer it? Number 10. Can Ron to speak English? To that means this is the verb and it is a base form of verb. Can Ron speak? Why not speaks? Because I have can. Can a modal verb followed by what? Infinitive verb. English. Okay, negate. What the meaning of negate? That means make it as a negative sentence. Menfi. Okay, negate the sentence. Here I have a false sentence. Okay, I can't understand what? Life. You can't understand name, number. I don't know. Kevin plays basketball. Kevin singular subject followed by what? Verb with s. Basketball, it's a complement. So the negative sentence from the simple present tense subject followed by what? Do or does. That's what? Not. That's what? Verb infinitive. That's what? Complement. Subject. Where is the subject? Kevin. Kevin. Followed by do or does. Kevin singular subject. So I will choose what? Does. Plus what? Not. Plus what? Verb. Play. So play. Not plays because infinitive verb. Basketball. Here, another example. Okay. Mr. Smith, Here, Mr. Smith teaches French. Mr. Smith is a singular. Okay, it's not the same. Okay, Steve can make breakfast. Steve can make breakfast. Here I have a model verb. So my answer will be Steve can not. Or I can use it like can, cannot. Or doesn't. The comma between and between the letter N and T, cannot or doesn't, like this, okay? Steve cannot what make. Here I have a base form because the model verb, and actually here I need a base form, so the same thing. Break fast. Okay. Sandy, the children, number 8. The children. There is some words in English language. When I see it, I know it's a plural subject. Like what? Like children. The singular word is what? Child. The plural, children. Also, I have what? Mouse. The plural noun is what? Mice. Woman, woman. Man, men. Teeth, tooth. Okay? This is the what? The words in English. When I make it as a plural, never add what? S. Look, the children, it's what? Plural? Noun. Children know. So, do. Here I have a negative, sorry. The children don't what? Know the answer. Okay. The other sentences the same way. There's no new idea. The same thing. Now move to what? To question number 3. Both the verbs in brackets here into the gap, okay? Here, Jill, it's a name, it's a person name. So I have one person name, singular subject, followed by what? By S or ES. But actually, I know that when I see have, I have, has, had. Had for what? For past tense. Have and has for what? For present tense. If I have, okay? A singular subject, I will add what? Has. And if I have. A what? A plural subject, that means I will add what? Have. Singular subject, have, what is the singular form of present from have, has? Okay, the same thing here. She, my sister. Be. What is the form of be verbs in the present tense? Is, am, are for what? For plural. Is for what? Singular. Here I have she, so is. Number 5, space, you, space, English. And I have what? A question mark. That means it's a what? It's a question. You, it's a subject. It's plural subject. So, do. You what? Speak. لا داليا في واحد بيحكي بس مش فاهم آخر which one? Okay, thanks a lot, Majd. Which one? Guys, please. Has excellent Miss Rama and Kais. مش فاهمة. أرجو الشرح عربي جديد. Okay, I will make it. Here, this sentence. There is any problem with this sentence? Tell me, Miss Kais. If there is any problem in this sentence, please tell me. I will wait for you. Okay. Okay, until you answer, I will continue. The same thing, sorry. Space, she, space, stamps, okay? Collect, mess, do. Thanks, Lemon. Thanks, Majd. And also, guys, does, okay, guys. Miss أي صفحة Okay, Miss, this is question number 4. The third one, the third paper in your first worksheet. I send it to you 3 paper under the title worksheet number 1. Okay, this is number what? 3. Does, okay. Here we have another idea. I often. Often it's a keyword. It's a plural subject. So go, it will be what? Go. Without anything. Base form of the verb. Yes, Majd. Majd, say this is the answer of the first worksheet. This is the answer of the first worksheet about simple present. Here, which answer are correct? Are correct, that means maybe I have a what? More than one answer. Okay, which verb forms are used in a simple present? Infinitive verb. In simple present, can I use infinitive verb? In your comments, B. Okay, D. Okay. Must say infinitive verb plus s. Actually, right, when I have a singular subject, but actually when I have a plural subject, I use what? I use infinitive verb just without anything. So, ed, it's wrong. ing, it's wrong. Ed, have plus ed, it's wrong. So, the right answer, A and D. A and D. Number 2, which verb forms are correct? So maybe I have what? 2 correct answer. Ahmed, Wael, I don't know. Okay, which verb forms are correct? She followed by what? Is. Not followed by what? By us, so it's wrong. She has, yes, maybe. Okay, she has is hey, no, wrong way to write has. Okay, she is right. She plays right. She plays with IES, no, because I add what? ES when the verb end with X, O, CH, SH, and what? And Z. So the right answer, here we have B, and also we have D and E. Number 3, the same thing. So move to question number 4. Which sentence or question are in the present tense? He is 15. It's right. He is 15. It's the right answer. Do you speak? Do plus subject plus verb infinitive. It's the right answer. I am in room 21. 21. Okay, it's right also. It's the right answer. I have a subject. I have a be verbs in the present tense and the complement. She didn't. No. Did for what? For past tense. She doesn't like milk. Yes, it's right answer. We are reading for continuous tense, for progressive tense. She drives a car. Yes. She, verb s or es. Here we have es. So it's what? No, it's right because the e as the final position is what? A right way to write it. Okay, so the right answer here we have what? We have A, we have B, and C, and F. No, F no. F and G. Okay, what are typical single words for simple present? The keywords. Always yes. At the moment, no. For progressive tense. Every day, yes. Now, no. For progressive tense. Often, yes. Sometimes, yes. Yesterday, no. For what? For past tense. Thanks, yeah. Miss Yusuf. What is you misunderstand? Tell me. I will answer the last question and I try to repeat what I said in simple words. Okay, which verbs or auxiliaries? Auxiliaries that mean a helping verb. Okay, am, can, is, are. It's a helping verb. Can be verbs and modal verbs. Actually, it's what a helping verb. Another name for helping verb auxiliaries can be negated. Negated that means النفي by adding not. I am. Can I say I am? Yes. Can I say redent? No. Cannot? Yes. Isn't? Yes. Play? Not? No. Aren't? Yes. And speak? No. So the right answer here we have A and C and D and what and F. Here. Back to Yusuf. Yusuf said that he have a misunderstand with this grammar. I said, when I have a sentence without a specific time, that means this sentence in a what? In a simple present tense. So I should use which form? Subject plus verb S or ES plus complement. Subject. If the subject is singular, one person, I should add what? S or E, S to the verb. Okay, to the verb. Remember, gets up. Okay. When should I use ES? When the verb ends with what? X or O or CH or SH or what? Or Z. Plus the complement. If the subject is what? Is a plural. I will add what to the verb? Nothing. Base form. Because I know I cannot what? Make the verbs plural. That's it. That's it. Also, when I see keywords like often, always, sometimes, usually, some words like an adverb like daily, frequently, weekly, that means this in a simple present tense. Is it everything clear for you? Any question? So that's it about simple present, and I hope everything's okay. And thanks a lot.